Atongoretio ni uria wari mubunge wa Marakwet ya irathiro Lina Jebi Kilimo atongoria ikundi-ini mwanya mwanya iria cihetanaga na mutugo wa kuruithia airitu na atumia macemanitie gwethera kihonia gia thina uyu uria uthiete na mbere na kurikia miri makiria kaunti-ini cia nduriri cia urithia wa uthami.
CSOs, the law banning female genital mutilation, has given you a platform to talk about it. Before we had it, people would talk in harsh tones. The government did not support us. They would come and say, what are these NGOs? Watu ya kutafuta pesa hapa, what are they doing? You know? And the communities will agree with their leaders and say, and watu wa kutafuta pesa.
Muingi ukihinyereria guteaniria morutani ma kiunduire maria magagira kiene airetu aria mataruite na guthinikiria airetu angi kurua mugaru na wendi wao.
Through the effort of the government of Kenya, through the Anti-FGM board, we have been able to really work closely with the grassroots, with our brothers LM, AMREF, World Vision, Plan International, UNICEF, UNFPA, and now we are able to fund the grassroots for them to be able to go ahead with the work that we do.
Na kwa kaunti-ini ya Kwale, cikaro ota ici ni citabanitio guthomithia ikundi cia muingi njira cia kuhitana na haro cia kimucii na wagarari wa ihoto cia atumia ona cia ciana.
Kweli dhuluma za kijinsia hapa kwetu Kwale zipo. Sema tu ni kuwa watu wanaogopa kuzisema kwa sababu pengine ni watu wa karibu ama watu wa kifamilia, na wengine pia wanaona kuwa ni mambo ambayo yanakubalika kimila.
Kwaga gutaũkwo ni ihoto ciao ni mamwe wa maria magwetetwo ta iremithia bara-ini ino ya kuhukia haro iria ciendekagirio kuri atumia, kuona atumia aingi ona muingi mathiũrũrĩtio kimeciria na gwĩtĩkia ati haro ici ni njĩtĩkĩrĩku kiunduire.
Na ukiangalia takwimu unaangalia moja kati ya watatu, 1 in 3 women will be a survivor of gender-based violence katika takwimu za kutoka UN. Na ukiangalia mambo ya usawa wa jinsia, achieving gender equality, SDG 5, tutachukua miaka 123 kutoka leo ili kupata usawa wa jinsia.
Ritana regeikio kuri arume kunyitanira na ikundi na thirikari guthomithania mogwati maharo cia micii. Ngerifuatera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Monica Njoki wa Njeri.